Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 26th of February. I'm James Spann. We actually see clearing later today. Tomorrow looks like a beautiful day, but showers and thunderstorms come back by midweek. Let's check it out. There's the water vapor satellite view early this morning and the upper air look. Got troughing developing over the eastern states. That's going to push that moisture on out as a front moves in with dry air later today. That was a radar early this morning at 4:54. Rain was mostly along and south of Interstate 59 at that point. Just a soaking rain falling from Montgomery and Lake Martin and Roanoke and places like that. But again, all of that pushes out later this morning. We are in the 50s early this morning. We've been sitting there for the past 24 hours. Birmingham at 57. If the sun breaks out later today, we'll be up there in the upper 60s. It'll feel pretty good later today. Around the nation, again, very cold in the western and northern states. But for us, the really core of that's going to stay north of us for a while. We'll see lows in the 40s tomorrow morning, but again, no sign of any freezing concerns, at least this week. There's the watch warning map around the nation. The east is quiet. Winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings for some of the communities out in the western states, and some fog problems in Texas early this morning. Severe weather outlook today and tonight. Maybe some thunder for southeast Alabama. No severe weather expected. Tomorrow, there is a marginal risk of severe storms for places like Dallas, Fort Worth, and Shreveport, west of here. And then on day 3, which is Wednesday into Wednesday night, we've got the standard risk of severe weather for Tyler, Longview, Shreveport, Monroe, and the Mississippi Delta. And the marginal risk kind of creeps into the far northwestern part of Alabama. And this runs through Thursday morning at 7 o'clock, and we'll take a look at this, of course, as we go. There is no risk defined on day 4, Thursday for now. Rain for the next 7 days. Again, some pretty big numbers down here across the Mid-South. In Alabama, the amounts vary from over 3 inches for the Tennessee Valley to about 1 inch for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, and then lighter amounts on down for the southern half of the state. So model fans, let's dive in. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at noon today. Troughing in the west, a zonal flow here, and a drier air mass pushing in. Rain ending this morning, the sky becoming partly sunny later today. The high should be in the upper 60s. Tomorrow should be a beautiful day. Now we start the day, I'd say between 40 and 45. Some of the colder pockets could see 30s, but the high will be pretty close to 70. Just a really nice day. Bright sunshine. Nice to see the sun, but enjoy it because on Wednesday the clouds are back and rain is back. We'll see periods of rain on Wednesday with a warm front pushing northward. And there could be some thunder involved by Wednesday night, but again, any severe weather opportunities most likely will be to the west of here. And the high Wednesday, I'd say, once again around 70. Now, Thursday, a deepening surface low is north of Indianapolis with a trailing front. And you have to wonder, could we see some strong storms in here on Thursday? Which, by the way, we should note is the beginning of the spring tornado season, March 1st, and the beginning of meteorological spring. But the instability is just really not there. All the models, the European, the American, for days, they've shown no instability here on Thursdays, and that's the reason you don't see SPC with an outlook for now. They might insert a marginal risk if these values can rise, but again, for now, it looks like the storms on Thursday would be sub-severe, but something to watch. But a pretty good rain amount. I'd say rain amounts on Wednesday and Thursday, 1 to 2 inches for north-central Alabama. And then Friday, we get into drier air. The sky mostly sunny. Friday morning will be pretty chilly. We'll do, I'd say, mid-30s. And the high Friday would be in the low 60s with a pretty good north wind. But the sky should be bright and sunny. And for our buddies up in the northeastern states, they'll have to watch this thing, a 976 millibar low southeast of Long Island. And that could create a whole lot of wind, a whole lot of rain, and a whole lot of snow for places up in the northeastern states. Way too early to be specific, but certainly Our friends in New York City and Boston will be watching this one carefully. Hey, how about a sunny weekend here? Come on now. This is Saturday, and again, we'll be in the 30s to start the day, and it's conceivable some of the colder pockets could see a light freeze, but most spots mid-30s, mid to upper 30s, and the high will be in the 60s. A glorious day, and Sunday looks beautiful. When was the last time we had a dry, sunny weekend? I can't remember. And again, Sunday will start the day in the 30s. The high will be in the upper 60s. Just beautiful. Monday of next week, troughing in the west. We're still dry. Storm off to the west. That suggests maybe some rain in here by Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. And this is the end of the forecast period, Wednesday of next week, March 7th. Troughing approaching, a front down to the south, and that looks cool and dry. NAO still wants to go negative through March. And at some point, we'll have to watch for an Arctic flush. Don't see any evidence of that on the deterministic models at this point. This is the output from the European for the next 10 to 15 days. Highs, 50s and 60s, lows 30s and 40s, and that's not too far from where we ought to be for March in Alabama. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.